I don't think he sees me. No. Oh shit. I can't believe I didn't spook him just right there with that slip. Hey, what is up guys? Skiddy Fishing here, and today I am on Boulder Mountain fishing various lakes here in this video. We're western fly fishing for literally anything that can bite. I brought a Tenkara rod. I don't know if I'm gonna use it, but we're camping and fishing throughout the weekend. Not necessarily gonna specify which lakes I'm at. This is kind of like a, if you know, you know. You can see there's no snow in the mountains. I'm with my uncle. He's my fly fishing sensei, and yeah, we're gonna catch some fish, so let's get to it. Got one. Nice. Looks like a tiger at first glance. I can't tell though. Yep, tiger. Yeah, just a really little guy. Hell yeah. Ooh, that's a pretty one though. Hand's wet. Yeah, check that out. Check out the patterns on that. All right, first fish of the trip is gone, and he zips. He just dropped it off the bank and he came out for it. Dude, this thing is huge. I mean, huge for me at least. Oh my gosh. Did he come out of the stuff? He came out of the weeds right here. Oh, come on, come on. I'm so unprepared for this. Dude, this is the prettiest tiger trout I've ever caught. Like, ain't no freaking doubt about that. I gotta get my net and everything. I just call the leech the Scott fly, because you always seem to use it and always seems to work. Yeah, full tigers too. Dude. Wow. Get him in the water for a sec. This water is crystal clear, so you can see all the way through it. So it's not worth spending too much time in one spot if you're not seeing anything move at all. Okay. Big tiger! Oh, come on. Dude, oh my gosh. Oh shit, where's my net? No, my net's on the other side. I can't believe that. Dude, big tiger. I got to keep them kind of on the surface here because I don't have a net. So gosh dang it, that's wild. Dude, Moksha is performing so well. No. Dude, oh my gosh. Don't do any of that pull down stuff, dude. Okay, so there's actually a spot right here on the other side of this like tree. I think if I can get them over there, I should be able to land them with my hands. And then I can go back and get my net. Oh, no. Well, I forgot my net on the other side of the bank, so I'm real struggle busting here. I knew that was going to be a good spot. Yep. Yep. Just creeping. A brook trout saw me. They're definitely smarter than the tigers in this spot. Dang, dude. I mean, at least the same size as the last one. Yeah. Let me show you. He's a feisty little guy. Not the kind of fish you want to hand line. Look at that. Sounds like he only really caught a few. Look at that, dude. There's another angler up here. That's what we're talking about. There he goes. Right in the middle of the lake. Oh, I see one right here. Probably. That's what I want.
I saw one like that, and he's sitting there doing his fin thing, and he did not touch it. He's like, F you. He either saw me or...
Oh!
Did he eat it?
Potentially. Hang on. Yep, got him. Got him. He came back for it, dude.
That is a brook trout.
Oh, he went under the log. Oh, he came back on the right side of the log. Dude, he took that like a dry. Like I missed it, and as soon as it touched the water, no, it's a tiger.
Oh, really?
Little tiger.
Yeah. They love that leap.
Yeah, they do. All right, dude. There you go. And he's gone. There was a different one that I was targeting, and then one that I didn't realize was under this vegetation jetted out. All right, do I dare try to cast? Yeah, I do. I do dare to cast after seeing a fish jump right there. Hell yeah, dude. What is that? That's very silver. Is that a brookie? Yep, I think it's a brookie. Where's my tip of that? No, it's another tiger. Dang it. Pale one. I actually thought it was a rainbow for a second. All right. Yep. There you go. All right. Well, we've got some serious ice over here. So looks like potentially we are not fishing this lake. We're gonna go check one of the sides we can't see, but as of right now, it looks like a plan B. All right, guys, well, the lake behind me is the lake that we intended to fish for this trip. We wanted to shoot for some ice off grayling. Overall, it's really not that cold despite the fact that there's snow. It feels like it's 45 degrees right now, possibly up to 60 for a high. So, I mean, it's gonna ice off real soon, but we're thinking about hitting a different lake, you know, just since we're already in the, well, on the mountain, but a little fatigued. I got some altitude sickness last night, actually. We got to the campsite, started cooking dinner. I got super sick. I was nauseous, couldn't even muster the strength to eat food, and then I just threw up everywhere in the camp. And then I felt much better after that. So, so if you guys come up, stay hydrated, liquid IV, you know, be smart, because I'll tell you what, man, it creeps up on you, this 10,000 feet elevation. Fish for about half day at another place, and maybe even catch some cutthroat. That'd be super cool. So anyway, let's see what we can catch. Got him.
There you go.
Finally. That was a mouth take.
Right up that point.
All right. Thought my GoPro was off, but this is the 5X. There we go. Dang, dude. Look at that. Oh man, I'm so happy. That was a grind. I know, buddy, I know. There you go. You're off. All right.
Whenever you're ready to go downstream, do it.
Sounds good. Let me see if this is truly working or not real fast.
Oh, they jumped right over there.
Just right behind me. It's very gravelly right here. I think they're spawning. It's like everything beyond this rock pile, they're active. But there's like 7 or 8 just swimming in circles right here. Got him.
It is working.
Just a little guy, but I'll take it. I needed this. No way I was gonna come to a cutthroat lake and not catch cutthroat. That's the kind of shit that gives me nightmares. All right, we are going netless right now. Like this second fly, the dropper.
Little brown zebra type thing, huh?
Yep, black head, brown body. All right, buddy, I know, there you go. See if I can get one fish out of this creek. Yes, got him. Purple haze for the win. Let's go. Talon Mini, man. It's been a while. All right, let's, oh, no. I'm just gonna lift him up over these rocks. I don't have a net today, dude. I know. You guys are probably gonna be pissed at me for that. Wasn't really intentional. We just didn't really have an itinerary on where we were going, so it's just kind of been this going with the flow. Look at that, dude. Wow. Let's get this guy into an actual flow. There we go. There we go, right there. You're free. All right, well, it's about midday, guys, and I'm out of water and I'm thirsty, so it is time to break in the life straw for the first time. I brought water with me, but man, I was just burning through it. That water honestly doesn't taste half bad. All right, guys, well, we are probably getting pretty close to being done. Really, I think we're gonna fish for a couple more hours still, but production isn't like super insanely fast. We're definitely getting into fish. Some out of creeks, some out of lakes. Colorados and tiger trout are the name of the game for this trip. Had some chance on some brook trout, didn't quite get to them, but that's fine. I could use a little bit more brook trout in my life. So if you guys have a good stream that's got some brookies in it, preferably 10 cara or like 4 weight or less, let me know. I'd like to get in on some of that, but otherwise, you know, one of my big goals for the year was to fish new waters in the boulders. And not only did I do one, I did like 5 or 6. So really, I cannot complain. It's been so fun. I wouldn't say it's like the best numbers trip ever, but really that's not what I was after. I just wanted to just come up here and have fun and catch some fish. So Nirvana fly rod performed flawlessly on the tiger trout. I had a sinking line on that, so it seems like the Colorado lake here is a little bit more of like a floating setup. So my Wild Waters Amazon rod is still very much in production on that, but even broke out the Talon Mini, so that was really cool. And of course, classic purple haze. So but yeah, I would say if you're planning on a trip to Boulder Mountain and you want to hit a 10,000 plus foot lake, you're probably going to want to wait till maybe the first week of June. I wouldn't say there's snow up there, but there's definitely still ice on the lakes, where all the lakes on various parts of this mountain in the 9,000 foot range are snow free. And here's proof of that. So anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm really not trying to like say where I'm at, but if you know, you know. So really, it is what it is. So, and this is what it's all about, guys. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Appreciate the views and the subs, and share it with your friends. We'll see you guys on the next one. Tight lines, everyone.